guys. We are at Fisherman's Wharf. Gina and I. Hi. Look at the beautiful, sensational crabs. Look at the crab. Are they alive?
I believe so. You ready? You want to sit down?
It's foamy. I guess it is. Oh shoot, it is alive. Whoa. This is famous Fisherman's Wharf. This is where you get, here, Sabella. This is where you get the best chowder bowls. Let's see if I get a little peek. You got the crab. That's what I'm talking about right there. The soup bowl. Sourdough bread with clam chowder. Oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells delicious. Look at the po' boys. There's my buddy G. You enjoying yourself?
Yes.
We're having a great time. We're so happy. Yay! Okay, we'll be back, guys. Bye. This toilet, the door opens in 20 minutes automatically. Automatically. Open and door. Open. Look at this. That's the toilet. Crazy. Okay, we got on the harbor cruise. We're gonna go on this boat with all these happy people. Look how beautiful. We're about to get to rolling. Go see Alcatraz over there. Whee! We're gonna get closer. Beautiful, beautiful. We'll be back. We're gonna go to Alcatraz right now. So beautiful, so nice. So good old Alcatraz Island. That's beautiful. Isn't that creepy? It's totally creepy. Now we're going around. Wow. All the gangsters used to be there. Oh, Al Capone. I don't know their names. Bugsy. There's a sign that says Indians keep off or something. Let's see if I can get in. Crazy. So scary. Look at all the windows are busted out. That's a lighthouse too, right there. There's a ferry. Okay. Sorry. Oh, those two are fighting. Are they showing love? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, shoot. That's so cool. Oh, they're sunbathing. They're relaxing.